In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can download MP3 songs using Chrome in 2025 in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, you can open any of the browser. I will open this Safari. After opening this Google, you need to tap the website where you want to download MP3 files. I will open this website here, Mixed. If I search it, you can see here, it's showing multiple websites. I will open this official one. After opening it, it will show a dashboard like this. You can see it provides free assets for your next video project. It offers stock videos, stock music, sound effects and many more templates. So to download MP3 music, we will open this stock music from here. So here's the list of MP3 songs. You can also search for it from your header. So in case if I want to download this MP3, I will firstly play it. If it's looking good, you can simply download it by just clicking on that download button that's showing at the bottom side. This music is royalty free and non-copyright music. You can download and use it wherever you want. So let's start downloading here. If I open my downloads, you can see it's downloaded. If I open it, here it is. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So that's how you can download MP3 songs using Chrome in 2025 in just few easy steps.